Finding the courage to change, learning to mind my own business. I had a habit of focusing on the behavior of others. I judged them relentlessly. I cut important family members out of my life because I didn't like what they said to me, what they were doing, or their life choices. When I did stay in a relationship, I wanted to tell others how to behave, how to treat me, how they should spend their money or their free time. Why do they always do that? Was a frequent thought in my mind. Unsurprisingly, I had difficult relationships. What's wrong with me, I would wonder. It took me a long time to see that I constantly had my nose in other people's business. It took even longer to see that I didn't know how to cooperate with others. Like a bossy little child, I wanted to tell others what to do, but I didn't want to be told what to do. I alternated between judgment of the other and resentment of their requests. It took me years to begin to see the harm that judgment and resentment caused. Judgment cuts me off from the best part of other people. My judgment blinds me to what they do right. Resentment cuts me off from the best part of myself. I'm using it as a reason to isolate when I'm longing for connection. I've learned that I only have power over myself. I've come to value the power of free will. I've learned that we're all doing the best we can. We're all in this together. I'm slowly learning to be a more cooperative component in the game of life. It's more fun to play nicely than to take my marbles and go home alone.